Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Glad you made it. We're watching Italy today. I did not get a chance to watch any of Sanremo because I knew I'd be recording and I didn't want to listen to the winning song too soon and then not really react honestly, blah blah blah, you get it. But I do know that Rafael Gualazzi was in it this year, as well as Francesco Gabbani. Neither of them won, obviously. We have Diodato, who I've never heard of before, although I think his name means God-given. Interesting last name. It did give me the opportunity to come up with this lovely image. Thank you to Matt, you know who you are, for inspiring this information. Who wore it best? You let me know. You decide in the comments. So I'm excited to listen to this. Italy usually has some pretty profound lyrics in their songs, but they're in Italian. So I'm not going to know what the message is yet today. I will find out after I listen and after I go look up the lyrics. All right, let's do this. Oh, it's a widescreen movie.
Se poi penso sono un animale.
It's a nice voice.
E se ti penso tu sei un animale. Forse questo temporale che mi porta da te. E lo so non dovrei farmi
Oh gosh, who does he look like?
senza un ombrello anche se.
Sticking with the male tenors this year, I see.
Torno sempre a te. Che fai rumore.
Oh yeah. I love how calm he can seem in an official music video when he's singing those high notes, because he's not really singing. In some of the shots anyway. This is nice. Do, do, do. It's very Beatles. Or if you want a more modern reference, Harry Styles. But it does have some Britpop vibes to it, like classic Britpop. Which, honestly, if the UK would send something more like that, maybe they'd have a better chance. This song is made for a large stage. Yeah, I mean, I would listen to this on repeat. Oh, he's being lifted up. Making some noise. Oh. He's making my throat tense up. Someone behind you. Aww. I have no idea what that was about. Except I know fai rumore means make noise, and it seems like it was maybe about, yeah, like choosing not to stay silent. Either because something important has happened or something terrible has happened. Not sure. We'll find out. Turning corners, let's talk staging. So, what do you guys think they're going to do. Have him alone on stage, have him with a band, including piano, backup dancers, wind effects, fire effects. What do you suspect they'll do this year? My personal thoughts would be, I don't know. I like the idea of having a full band. And I say full band, I'm like 4-piece band. Because that drummer, I think, even though they won't really be playing live on stage, I think helps maybe move it along. I would prefer the band over maybe having an interpretive dancer. For this song, anyway. I don't know why. I could change my mind. But I do like the song. It does go against some of my hopes and wishes for Eurovision as far as something that's like super creative and new. But it sits in a really comfortable spot for me. Just, I think, because of the talent level involved. So yeah. I don't have to defend why I like it. I just like it. You might not. Big deal. I don't vote anyway, so we've established this. How it pairs up with the others. I think this might be in my top for now. It has been... This will be the 10th year that Italy has competed in the Eurovision Song Contest since coming back in 2011. I think... So I wasn't a huge fan of last year's. And I know that that's just completely the opposite of what most people think. Rafael, Gualazzi, and Il Volo are probably tied for my favorites in the last 10 years. For different reasons. Like, anytime either song comes on, I am, like, engaged and singing along, even if I don't know the words. So that gives you a little clue into the type of music I listen to. Other than that, we'll see how this does. I like it. I don't know how it will do on a Eurovision stage with all the glitz and glamour that other countries will be bringing. So this is either going to touch a lot of people in an emotional way, or it'll just kind of come and go and people won't care about it. Anyway, let me know what you think. Hopefully I'll be able to get my act together and maybe get something for Spain out. As some of you know, the Spain video got blocked again. That's fine. I will see what I can do. All right, that's all I got for today. Bye, guys. We'll see you next time.